create this password. See here, I will generate the password with the help of this one. Generate password is there. Okay, with the help of this one I can create a password. Length is I will write here. That length what I want 40 to 45, 45 password from 5. Generate the password. See here, this is my password, hashing password I created. Are you getting my point? So inside the dark web, all of you listen to me carefully. Hello, all of you there? Inside the dark web, when you are creating a mail ID, understood or not? Inside the dark web, when you are creating a mail ID, you should use the hashing password. Are you getting my point? Not the plain text. What I am telling you right here. Or you understood? Who is there? Uh, Momo, you understood my point. So
Yes.
the thing is what you should write here. The question is that, see here, email services. I was talking about the email services. So email services. What is telling you? Host point is coming outside of the town network. Outside of the or network. We are talking about the DOR network, right? Second is tracking. We need for the tracking. Okay, people are using to tracking. Second thing is third thing is coming what? Logging. Logging. Fourth thing is what? You have to require personal info. Require require personal info. That is points. Personal info. For that, like now someone is coming there and they are checking. So many sites is there with the help of this. Who is I think people. This one you heard about that. I think this is running People. People. PIPL. People sharing identify resolution. Okay, this is access denied. This is what they do. Okay. From that PIPL. Come here and check where is or is coming. Check this is let me check people. It's okay. Verify the identification. Oh, it is access denied. My firewall is not opening. So this is PIPL. If I'm coming here, let me check. This is what. PIPL. That extension, I have to check on my this one hard disk. What is the extension in the top? That is right. This is also HTML, not the proper sign. This is also not the proper sign. It come here. It is, this is people. What we will do. People. Before that it was free. Okay. Guys, okay, you have to create the account on people. Okay, are you getting my point? Go and create an account and give the email ID and password. Okay, give the email ID, anyone's email ID you give. Everything. What is your public information is there, right? They will collect from the Google and some different service engines, and then after they will give you the information. Yeah, yeah. You understood my point? Everyone getting clear? Clear or not? Are you getting? Before that, on our time, this was free. Right now, this is paid. This is
That's clear
people
for me.
create. Yeah, yeah, you try it. Okay, you try it. Before it was free, we can access it, but right now they have denied it.
Your voice,
Voice is not clear. Right now, you're getting. What I'm telling you,
yes,
create account. You create account and check. In our time, this is people is free. We can check public account for any peoples or any, like we have the email ID. We can check it. What is the publicly open? Like no pictures, everything, whatever the things is open, we can access from the people and we can get access. Understood? Their information, their public information. I'm telling you from the different service engines, like from the Facebook, from your Google, everything's from there. You have Hotmail is there. From there, what is the public you have open? No, that all information is coming to you. That is the site is there. Understood? Right now it is not free. Right now it's not free. Because of that only in the Tor also it is access denied. But I will check because I have the Tor. That Tor extension is there inside my drive. I will check and I will show you. Understood my point? Clear? Clear? Everyone?
okay.
Okay. So what is coming? What I was writing here. See here. What I'm writing, logging, track, and request. So because of that only you are doing, right? So for that, the people are coming on the Tor, and then after they are track, they are trying to log in, right? No plain text and require personal information. That's what I told you with the help of people and all. So what you do, guys? So the restrictions is there. You can use yes here. You can write here. Never. I'm writing here. Never use use darknet identity on the clearnet. Darknet identity on the this is darknet right now. Tor is on coming on the darknet. So identity on the clearnet. Clearnet simple. Clearnet. Okay. First. Second is what? Never log in from clearnet. Never log in from clearnet. Clearnet you are getting. What is clearnet, guys? Doc. This one. This is your right. This browser is your this browser. DuckDuckGo is your clearnet. If you will be directly go with that. Yesterday I discussed, right? Remember, correct or not? Everyone tell me yes or no. I explained you, right? DuckDuckGo is your clearnet. Clearnet means that simply you can reach to anywhere. If you open there Google also, it will open to you. So always use like you have here kinds of your, you can say, the Tor extension, or that I shown you so many, like that extension is there right now. Remember that extension, kinds of that extension. See here, kinds of that extension. Understood or not? WikiLeaks and Onion, then index is coming. So always use this one. This is called your secure. And if you'll be use the basics that is coming on your clear name. Understood or not? Everyone? Then after the third point is coming, third point, yeah, question is asking, yes.
No.
Okay. Then after what? Request personal info. What is coming next? Next is coming. Yeah. Email services here. What is your thread model? Why? There I am. Yeah. Never log in from clear name. Okay. Third point is coming. Never communicate with accounts you own. Never communicate. Never communicate a real account. Don't create a real account. A real account. Okay, you give your name and everything. Don't use this one. Don't use your photos and all. Okay, first, so never communicate real account you own. Okay, getting my point. Then after, never use the clear name. I told you already. Never use on the clear name. Never use on the clear clear name. Understood my point? All of you? Clear? Clear? Yes. Understood or not? You are understanding or not what I am explaining here?
What is the last?
What is the dark net? Dark net is this one, no? That is the
Last
dark net.
one.
No? Never use on the clear net. That is clear net. Your this one, like
Okay.
Google and something. Okay,
Okay.
that Google email account and this one. Okay, don't use. That's what. So tomorrow, what we will do? Okay, tomorrow what we will do? Tomorrow we will see creating this one using temporary emails, using privacy and darknet email, and this things. Okay, that is our part.
What's your voice?
No, tomorrow, what I'm telling, tomorrow we will see temporary email, how to create temporary email using privacy focused and darknet email purpose, how to proceed on that. These things we will see tomorrow. Okay, but come early.
Okay.
Everyone is getting no. You understood everyone how to work on that? I explained you. Correct, no? So come on that. Weekly it's also you can check, okay? That weekly I given you, no? Here, on the darknet. Use this one. Understood? Okay. Understood? And what is getting everyone, what is coming here, what is telling you? Your data should not be for sale at DuckDuckGo. We agree. Understood my point? And if you come on the Google and in the Facebook, you heard about your information, private information was leaked from the Facebook server. Correct or not? All of you agree or not these things? Tell me. You heard about or not? This part. Guys, I'm not getting answers from your side. Everyone getting the class or not? But I'm telling you. That is all. Momo, you understood?
Yes, from my side it's okay, sir.
Okay, fine. And you, Vijay, you understood this point? Vijay, you understood? Vijay is there? Okay, yesterday you missed because of that only. Suraj, you understood? Suraj, you understood?
Yes.
Okay, so go. I will send you in your mail ID. Share your mail ID. Guys, mail ID you share to be everyone. Suraj, you also. And Vijay, I am not getting your mail ID. I have to send so many things to you. Okay. Momo, share your mail ID. NJ, share your mail ID. Okay, everyone. Okay. I will share the details. So I'm closing the class today only up to here because I'm not feeling well. Continue classes I go. So tomorrow I will again take the class. Okay. Come exactly 9:30 be there. Okay. 9:30. You understood? You done lots of things, and that page also I'm sharing you. You can check on the Tor browsers. Okay, guys. Fine. Okay. And after the class, guys, you have to give the feedback every day. Okay. They are telling. like what is the how they are giving and that
Okay.
today's topic and all. So guys, take care. Bye bye. NJ is not giving. NJ, you go and give, okay? Because they are asking. Yesterday, Mr. James was asking me, if NJ is coming for the class or not. NJ were not yesterday. Also, he didn't attend the class. So guys, come. Okay, we will see you tomorrow. Bye guys. Take care. Bye bye. I'm in the meeting. Okay. Bye guys. Ending the meeting. Okay.